King County Executive Dow Constantine laying out his proposed plans for the next year, including redeveloping 7 blocks of downtown Seattle.
On some of the most valuable real estate in this entire quadrant of the country, we have a 9-to-5 workplace rather than a 24-hour neighborhood.
It's called the Civic Campus Initiative, which could redevelop some of the properties into commercial or residential buildings and give the shuttered administration building to Sound Transit. It could also mean closing the county jail.
The 1980s jail, as I've said, is obsolete.
But those who work inside aren't necessarily on board. The King County Corrections Guild president sent this letter to Executive Constantine expressing concern, saying it comes as communities are facing record-level crime rates.
We need to have a place where we can house people that commit crimes against society. And to arbitrarily shut down the jail without a plan to replace it, we're against that.
A spokesperson for Executive Constantine said in a statement in part, the downtown jail will need to be replaced with something else and could also offer behavioral health care and interventions that stop the revolving door and turn lives around. Issues with the jail aren't new. The ACLU recently filed a lawsuit over its conditions, and protesters demonstrated last week after 6 people died there in 2022.
And that model of corrections is a archaic model of corrections.
Something Folk acknowledges, also asking the executive for a new facility for the safety of inmates and staff, and to be able to provide necessary care and rehabilitation services.
The downtown jail is basically putting somebody behind the door and just keeping them there.
Folk says other jails in the county don't have capacity to take on more inmates, especially as they face a staffing crisis. He says as of today, they need to fill 111 positions, but says they've hired more officers and 19 are set to start this month. The county also offering hiring bonuses up to $15,000.